Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 101 named Symmetric tree. In this problem, we are given the root of a binary tree and we have to check whether it is a mirror to itself. That means we have to determine whether this tree is symmetric around its center or not. Here, if you closely consider the first example, you will understand what is the symmetry means. Here in this array, the root is 1, which has two children, 2 and 2. The left children 2 has two another children, which is 3 and 4. The right children 2 has two children, which is 4 and 3. Now, if you partition the tree from the middle, you will see that for these three, the corresponding node is 4 for the second half. And for the first half, node 4, the corresponding node is 3. That means it is a mirror to itself. Or we can say that this tree is symmetric. I hope you understood the problem. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to solve this problem, we have taken this example and we will apply the depth first search and in order tree traversal to solve this problem. So let us understand how can we solve this problem by using these two techniques. At first, for the DFS, we are at the root node. Now, we have to check whether its two subtree, which is left subtree and right subtree, which is this and this, both of them are symmetric or not. But how can we check it? We can simply recursively call two of the DFS function into one of its left subtree and another of is right subtree, and we will compare the corresponding node. So for the first DFS call, the call would start from these two, and for second DFS call, the call will start from these two. Now here, the basic intuition is, suppose for this root 2, its left child should be equal to the second DFS right child, and first DFS right child equal to the second DFS left child. And if these conditions becomes true into all of the DFS call, we will say that this tree is symmetric, otherwise it is not. So here, from this node 2, we will recursively call our DFS function into its left child 3, and for these two, we will recursively call a DFS function into its right child, which is 3. Now, both of them are equal. So far, so good. These three and these three both does not have any children. So it will get back to its parent. And from these two, the call is in its right child 4. And from these two, the call is in right child 4. So both of them are equal. And this does not have any of the children. So the call will get back to its parent. Now finally, the call will get back to its parent node 1 and it will return true. Because in the DFS call, we did not find any of the similarities between the nodes. That's why you can say that this tree is symmetric. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named is symmetric, which is a root tree as a parameter. And if the root is null, we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to recursively call our DFS function into the root of left node and into the root of right node. Now here, In the DFS function, if the first tree and the second tree is null, we have to return true. Otherwise, if one of them is null and another is not, we have to return false. And if the current root value is not equal to the second root value, we have to return false. Otherwise, we have to recursively call the DFS function into P of left into Q of right and with P of right node with Q of left node. And this is how we're going to solve this problem. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.